Hey guys, Venture Gaming here, and before we start this video, I just want to say Winter Horrorland will be in the description of this video. So last time, boyfriend and girlfriend were having fun with girlfriend's mom and dad, but they didn't realize they had one final round left they needed to do, and it was me as the monster. So, hope you guys like my singing voice again. Wish me good luck. And are you ready? The boyfriend beep. Oh, you sound more confident than last time we battled. I like it. Beep. I don't really know what you're saying, dude, so I'm just gonna continue talking. Alright. Cue the music and let's do this boyfriend one final time. Wish me good luck. Let's go to the mall and let's go to the park. I have one question and you can say no, oh, la 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 la. Come on, little boyfriend, let's go outside. Let's go outside, enjoy the weather. Look at that pearling teeth. Let's go have some fun. You can do it. Let's go. Come on, little boyfriend. Let's have a drink of lemonade. You can do it. You can do it. Go outside and we'll have lots of fun. You can do it, little boyfriend. Let's do this thing. You can invite your girlfriend and we can have a party. Come on, little boyfriend, and you can do it. Let's go. Come on, little boyfriend, and enjoy a nice walk. Let's go. Oh boy. Whew. Well, what do you say, boyfriend and girlfriend? Do you want to go to the mall or the park or take a quick walk? Beep. I think you're happy and I'm happy too. But that should do it for today's video. And, well, please subscribe if you want more singing of me and you want these two to battle the next week. Week 6. But that will be coming soon, so please subscribe for that and like the video for that. And I hope you guys have a great day, and please go outside. It's going to be very nice. But that should do it for today's video. And boyfriend, would you like to say anything else? Beep. I don't know what that said, but have a great day, everyone. Beep.